I went into your room shortly after we got back from the gym to check up on you for breakfast. Then I realized that your clothes were ironed. How did you do your laundry?
I ironed it.
You did? For real?
Yeah. Thank you once again.
It's okay.
Big bro, wait. You never cease to amaze me. Like, I'm surprised. Hello? You're normally busy for work, and look at you. Right now, you're just looking out for my girl, you're taking care of her, all because of me. My goodness, thank you. Thank you, I appreciate you. Thank you for, looking out for me and filling up for my weakness.
It's okay. You were really tired last night.
Honestly, even if I wasn't tired, I cannot pamper a woman the way you do.
You can, if you put your mind to it.
I can't, so it's not my thing, man. I won't lie. It's not.
Chris, wait. Chris.
What?
Did you just say you can't pamper a woman in front of your brother?
Yes.
Again?
What do you mean again? I can't do it, is that I can't do it.
Chris, I don't understand. What
Jenny, please. Listen, we just finished eating and I don't want to argue. So please, let's just play what? I would like to beat you. Beat the hell out of you. It's not going to be like the previous times. You always beat me. Your jazz will not work this time. So where's the what?
Chris, we're talking about something here. I don't understand.
Big bro, please bring the words. Let's play. I would like to beat the hell out of my baby here. I'm waiting. Come on, baby. I got you.
My name is Jenny, not baby. Jenny.
What is it again now? Shebi, you're the one that's always complaining, I'm not romantic. Now, look at me. I'm Mr. Sexy Romantic. Mr. Sexy, give it to you anyhow you want it, And now you're complaining. Come on, baby. Let me show you how romantic I can be. Look at this. Don't you like what you see? Look at you. I know you like this. Come on, baby. We shouldn't even be sleeping in separate rooms. You should be in my room. Huh? Come on, let me take you to the heavens. To the
Chris.
Chris. Don't you want to have a piece of this sexiness right here?
I want out.
You say what?
I want out.
I don't understand. Out of where?
Out of this relationship, Chris. Both of us, it's not working. We're not compatible.
Wait. Wait. Are you serving me breakfast at night?
Chris, I'm serious.
I know you're joking.
No, I'm actually serious, Chris. I want out. I think it would be best if we're friends other than lovers.
You're serious?
I know the house. I feel good. I know the house.
Good morning, Chris.
Hey, bro. Breakfast, bro?
Chris, I'm running late, okay? I can't have breakfast.
Hey, come on, bro. It's barely 7 a.m. Your work starts by 8.
You know I love to be on time. I can't have breakfast.
Okay. You know what? I got you your food in the food flask. Let me just get it, okay? Just hold up.
Hurry up, you're dancing.
I got you. I feel good.
Hello? Yes. I'm on my way.
I feel good.
Okay. All right. Thank you, bro. I gotta go. Huh? All right. Thank you so much. Yes.
Be safe.
Yes. I'll be there in 30 minutes. No, I sent the email yesterday, sir. Yes. Please check your email. I sent you a copy. Okay, see you, sir. Bye. Oh my God.
I feel good. Na, na, na. Hello, Patrick. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm leaving my house now. Yes. Yes. No, I won't take long at the office. Okay, alright. We'll see then. Okay, alright, bye. Forgetting anything. Yeah, baby. Yeah. You know what, baby? I just got home right now, so you can start coming out once, okay? Yeah, I just want to freshen up and when you come, we'll talk about the whole situation, alright? Okay. I'll be waiting for you, okay? Alright. Okay. Baby, I'm so sorry I kept you waiting. Do you want more water?
Oh no, I don't want to.
Are you sure?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Why did you call me here?
Well, because I want you to go with me to the cinema.
Why?
Because I don't want to be home alone.
Okay.
Like you know, my brother stays out till late at night because of work. So I'd like you to follow me to the cinema. We'll stay out till around 8 or 9. Then, when my brother comes back home, we'll get back, I'll drop you home and come back to my house. What do you say? Fine girl.
Chris,
What?
why is it always about you? You've never asked me what I want.
Because I'm your king. Yes. And my wish is supposed to be your commander.
Christopher Jackson. Manner of approach is very important. You ask, not command me. I'm not your slave.
Genevieve Peterson, don't even start this evening. You are following me to the cinema, and that's final. Period.
Unless you ask nicely. Else, just take me home.
Oh, wait. Okay. Please, would you kindly follow me to the cinema? Nicely.
Chris. Chris.
Put now. That's my baby. You know I love you, right? Now let's go.
Alright.
We're gonna have some fun.
My
tonight.
phone. Let me go.
Let's go. Big bro. Good evening, bro.
Good evening. Why are you not sleeping?
Because I can't sleep without seeing my big bro. And by the way, I have a lot of things I would like to share with you.
Chris, I had a very hectic day and I need to shower.
Oh, I already ran your bath and I prepared your dinner. So, come and eat. So we'll talk.
Thank you. What would I do without you?
Absolutely nothing.
My friend, get out. By the way, this is for you. Your monthly gift.
For real?
Yep.
Oh, come on, big boy. You don't have to keep doing this. I mean, you've been looking out for me since we were kids, since our parents left us, and now I'm doing well, working, and you don't have to keep doing this, okay?
Now let me tell you, you can be the next billionaire tomorrow, but you will still be my little brother, and I'll always buy you gifts.
Really?
Let me go upstairs, freshen up, and let's eat together.
All right, thank you.
In the kitchen.
All right, no problem.
Thanks for the food.
Thanks for this still, though.
Sorry.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Are you serious? Wow. Always looking out for me. You can chop this one. Hey, big bro, there's something I'd like to talk to you about, if you don't mind.
What?
It's my girlfriend, you know. We don't seem to get along at all. We argue so much.
Chris, you and I are not supposed to have this conversation. You already know.
It's true. I forgot. But for real, though, big bro, I'm not judging you or anything like that, but I'm just saying, it's been a long time for you. You sure say this year or something is still working? If you don't knock engine by now, I'm just saying.
Chris, I had a very stressful day. As you can see, I am working.
I can see.
I need to finish this and rest.
Sorry, but it's just a suggestion, you know.
Chris, go to bed. Go and sleep.
Now you're chasing me out.
Yes.
I want to sleep in your room. I want to sleep with you.
Okay, go and sleep.
Okay, fine. Well, let me just check if...
Check what? What is wrong with you?
I'm just saying you should do something about that. It's been a long time.
Is it your problem?
You're my brother and
Chris,
I love you.
Just go to bed.
Okay, fine. I'm going. Well, I'm just saying...
Chris, I need to work. Go and sleep.
Okay, fine.
Chris, just leave me alone. Go and sleep.
You're serious, though? Fine, I'll go and sleep. It's just your brother showing concern. I mean, what's there in showing some concern?
So why you face it this way?
Because I want
Is this how you're going to sleep?
No, but...
Face the other way.
I will face, but what I'm trying to tell you is that you should change the oil. Maybe it might be sounding instead of it's everywhere supposed to be smooth. But it's been a long time, so just change oil. That's all I'm saying. Fine, okay. Sorry, sir. Let me sleep. Since I'm now disturbing you. But change oil. Change the oil.
I hear you.
It's been a long time. Change the oil, sir. Okay, sir?
Yes, boss.
Alright, sir. Good night.
Good night.
Don't forget to change oil. It's important. As a matter of fact, I can help you out.
Chris!
No, I have generator oil, I have engine oil, original one. I can distribute it for you.
I want cooking oil.
Cooking oil. I have it, power oil. Do you need? Which one do you need? I will give you. Big bro. Big bro. Oh, big bro. You just went to work like that. You didn't even wake me up. I would have prepared breakfast for you at least. Okay, no problem. Take it easy, okay? Be safe, yeah? Okay. Before I forget, don't forget to change your oil. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah. Goodness.
Oh, so now you want to know why we don't agree on everything? It's because you act immature, Chris. Yes! And we don't always agree on that fact. It's not possible. No, I don't. Heaven knows I don't. You impose things on me, Chris. And I don't like it. It's just as if you don't even love me enough. Come on, Chris. Of course.
You know what? Oh, very good. It's a good thing you're here. Listen, at this point, I'm done. I need a break. I can't do this anymore, okay?
I don't understand. Why are you acting as if I'm begging you to be in the relationship?
Actually, I don't care anymore at this point. What is it with this constant bickering? Huh? We never seem to agree on anything.
True.
Always arguing all the time.
True.
I mean, you expect so much from me, and I'm sorry I can't be all
I
that.
don't expect too much, Chris. I just want you to love me more. Be more romantic. Be more caring. Be more respectful and stop acting like an immature Gen Z. I don't like it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
You're not serious.
I don't understand. What do you mean I'm not serious? Chris, I'm talking to you, Chris.
I'm done with this conversation. Okay?
I don't get it. What do you mean you're done? Chris, talk to me. Chris. Chris, I'm talking to you.
Jenny,
what?
Excuse me. I need to leave.
What?
Chris, I think the secret is to listen to her.
How else does she want me to listen to her? No. How else does she want me to listen to her? Big bro, I have tried. At this point, I don't even understand what she's saying anymore. I don't even understand. She just keeps talking and oh my goodness, she talks so much like she's nagging.
You can never understand a woman Just do her wish, whether you understand it or not.
To do her wish? Like a fool?
No. Chris, sit down.
This is not a sitting down matter. I know what I'm facing.
Now listen. If you have a woman that loves you and you love her, you listen to her. Or don't you love her?
I love her. I actually love her a lot. I mean, she's intelligent, she's smart, she's beautiful, she's homely. She's a lot of good things. And you don't get to see her kind in this generation.
There you go.
I tell you what.
What?
I plan to marry her next year.
What? Wait.
I plan to marry her next year. For real.
Is that Chris talking?
I'm telling you, man.
What? You plan to marry her?
I plan to marry her
That's
next...
big boy talk.
Thanks, bro. Stop it.
Wow. And you're not telling me?
Bro, for real, I appreciate the kind gesture, but I really love her. But just that, I don't know, we don't seem to agree on anything.
You have to start agreeing. The Bible says, can two walk together except they agree? Listen, you guys need to start giving in to each other once in a while.
But I'm the man in this relationship. And as a man, she's supposed to respect me and be submissive. Be a submissive girlfriend.
No, that is not how it works.
How else does it work?
You can't coerce a woman to be submissive to you. You earn it.
Big bro, I have tried. I have tried everything within my power. I don't know what else she expects from me. She just expects so much from me.
You guys just need to take it easy on each other because this is just too much. So you won't marry like this?
I won't marry now.
You won't marry, leave me.
Yes,
because I need to change oil.
Hey, it's true. It's true. Wait. Big bro, wait.
Why did I bring this up?
It's true. Hey, how fun now? I hope you've changed.
I beg, leave me.
Wait now. We need to. Come now. Wait. Which oil did you change? Hope it's not kitchen oil. Hope you changed original engine oil.
I changed the generator oil.
But you need to change that oil.
Crazy, you're not well.
If you're not interested in me, then why did you come for me? I didn't woo myself.
Jenny, what are you talking about right now? Who said I am not interested in you? That's just how you love assuming things, and that's bad for you.
Oh, so now I'm bad?
Jesus Christ, Jenny, when did I say that? When?
See, Chris, this is becoming exhausting. I'm tired.
What the hell are you talking about right now? I'm tired of what? Huh?
Chris, how long have we been dating? Have you ever attempted to kiss me or hold me?
Oh my God, Jenny, that's because you're a virgin.
Oh, so virgins don't get kisses and affection?
I never said that.
Just be honest with me. Enough of the lies.
Jenny, where are you going to now? You really expect me to keep chasing you around?
Oh, suit yourself, I don't care.
Genevieve! Hey, what are you doing standing here? Don't just... I said go after her! Just go! Oh! God's sake. Go! Genevieve! Jenny!
What is it?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to raise my voice at you inside. I'm sorry.
I just want to get home.
Wait. I'm sorry now. Okay, fine. If you want to go home, can I drop you home at least? Please.
No, I'll order a ride or something.
Wait now. I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. Let me drop you home. Come. Sorry, let me drop you. Sorry. Calm down.
Leave me.
So now you don't want me to touch you?
Just move.
This is a shakara. Sorry.
Move.
What is it? You still the verse? Yeah, sorry now. Have I not apologized? I'm sorry. Why are you still vexing?
Don't touch me.
Sorry
Stop
now.
it.
Fine,
Stop
it's
it.
okay now.
Stop it.
It's okay now.
This is the way you should be talking to me. See how you were shouting at me inside?
But you wouldn't blame me. You wouldn't blame me. It's you, if not that you were raising your voice at me and I had to defend myself. What do you expect me to do? Just keep quiet and allow you raise
So
your...
if I shout, you shout at me back?
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that you raised your voice at me and I had to defend my... Sorry. Sorry now. Romantic. Miss Romantic. Your mother should have named you Romantica.
And yours should have named you Boring.
What's that supposed to mean? No. What was that supposed to mean now?
I'm joking, Joe.
Okay, since we've settled everything, why don't you come inside? Let's, relax a little.
No. Just take me home. I want to go home.
Just come inside
Take
now.
me home, Chris. I need to go home.
Fine. Your wish is my command.
So you won't kiss me? You won't give me any kiss?
A kiss?
Yes.
You're the one that said I should drop you off. When I get to your estate gate, I'll give you a kiss now.
I want it here.
Ha! Now, wow. They don't rush kiss like this. I mean, when I get to your estate gate, I'll give you your kiss. They don't rush kiss now.
Okay.
Kiss no be by fire.
No problem, okay.
Kiss comes natural. They don't force.
Let's go. Take me home. No problem.
You just like shakara. Your shakara is too much. Come, take kiss. Take kiss now.
Oh, okay. I'm not interested.
See sweet kiss I want to give
I
you.
don't want. Please, turn on the AC. I'm sweating. It's hot here.
And now you don't want kiss again.
Please, turn on the AC. I'm sweating.
Now I want to give you kiss. You're saying I should...
Turn the AC on now. I'm sweating. It's hot here.
Fine. There is nothing I will ever do that will ever satisfy you.
Every time I have to beg for kiss. I'll beg for kiss. I don't want. I'm not interested.
You said kiss. I want to give
I
you
do
kiss.
not want. Take me home.
I don't know what you want from me. I mean, I'm tired. I don't just know what you want me to do. You say kiss, now I'm giving you kiss. You say you don't want.
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power.
Becky, you know I have daddy issues. And you know my dad left me when I was little. I need someone who can fit in the role of a lover, a friend, and a father. Chris is just not that guy. He's not caring.
But you both love each other. Huh, Jenny?
Yes, but I'm trying to get him to learn to love me, but...
Do you know what I think the problem is? Communication. You need to keep hinting this thing on him so that he will...
I have been doing that, but he just doesn't seem to get it.
Well, patience, okay? You need to be patient with him. I'm sure with time he will come along. Okay?
I'll be able to you cook.
Go to the kitchen, you'll find out.
Yegi.
What were you thinking? I was going to allow you to come back home hungry?
Sugar.
Definitely not.
Thank you, Jerry.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Here's something.
You're welcome.
Oh, baby.
Women. They are so complicated. Especially Jenny. Swear.
Well, you need to know what works for your woman if you want peace. Because if she's not satisfied, she will nag. And a woman that nags is an unsatisfied woman with a man with blocked ears.
Nah. Big bro, I totally disagree with that. Because you see these ears, they are not blocked at all.
Spiritually.
They're not blocked. I can hear from miles away.
They are blocked spiritually, just
They're not. That reminds me, big bro. When are you introducing us to your wife now? I mean, I'm just saying, I need to have a sister-in-law. You know what, scratch that. I deserve to have a sister-in-law.
Chris, see, I can give you anything in this world. But you see this one? It is not in my power.
Big bro, you need to start making babies on time, so that you retire early. You don't want to be buying babies' diapers at old age, do you? I'm just saying.
Yo, I heard you saying Jenny is a virgin. Is it true?
Big bro was eavesdropping.
I couldn't help my curiosity. But is it true?
Well, yes, it's true. She's a virgin. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and honestly, I won't lie. It makes me so scared of even touching her. Can you believe that I've not even kissed her for once? Once. You know, I don't want to spring up these emotions within me and maybe eventually mess things up. So, I'm saving her for marriage.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? That's what's up.
Happy married life in advance.
Thank you.
My G.
Don't mention. But big bro, for real, I'm just saying I'm consigned. You need to change oil.
Oh, no. Not again.
This is
Chris.
a consigned younger brother here.
Okay, can I just bribe you so you can stop bringing this up? Because
you don't need to bribe me when I'm looking out for you.
But it's cringy. Like, why are you bringing it up?
Because I care about you. You need to change this oil, man.
Why?
You need to change oil.
Like, just finish this thing. Leave me alone.
I know what I'm saying, though.
What are you saying?
Some have food, you cannot eat. Some have oil, but they cannot change. You better change this, your oil.
You're mad.
I'm not mad, I'm helping you.
Just leave me, I'm working, please.
Okay.
Hold on.
Good day, sir.
Hey, Chris is not home yet. His car had a little fault and he's waiting for the mechanic to fix it.
Oh, I'm aware.
Oh, okay. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's finally good to meet you. You're not always supposed to.
You know how it is. Work. Sorry, can I get you something to drink?
Sure, that'd be lovely.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just give me a minute.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's okay?
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. Do you know the name of the film?
No, I wasn't paying attention.
Ow.
Are you okay?
My stomach hurts. I need to use the restroom.
Okay.
How? Excuse me.
Are you alright?
A bit better. Thank you.
Okay.
Ow!
Are you okay? Huh?
My stomach hurts.
It's still hurting?
Yes.
Can I get you flagyl?
It's my monthly cycle. Ow! It hurts. It hurts and it hurts and.
Can I do anything to help?
Yes, please. Can I get hot water?
Hot water?
Hot water to drink.
Okay,
Thank you.
just sit tight. Okay? I'll be back. I'll be back.
Oh.
Hello? Chris?
I'm cool, bro. The mechanic just arrived.
Okay. Genevieve just started having menstrual cramps.
It does not concern me, bro.
She's in pain!
Big bro, please. I need to speak to the mechanic now.
Chris, what are you saying?
We'll talk later, okay?
Sorry. It's very hot. Sorry. Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You okay?
No.
How are you feeling? It's still hurting. Sorry.
Ow.
Oh my God, sorry. Let me drive to the estate pharmacy, okay?
Okay.
Let me get you some medicine. Can you stay here alone?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back.
She fell asleep here, didn't she?
Yeah. She said her bestie traveled and that she can't stay alone. She would have to stay here until she feels better.
Thanks, bro, for taking care of her for me.
Come on. It's nothing.
Honestly, man, I'm just so tired. You know, I'm stressed out from trying to fix my car with a mechanic. I just need to shower and rest right now.
I understand. I'll stay here and wait in case she needs anything.
Okay, bro. That's fine. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. Appreciate
The
you.
food is on the table, yeah?
Oh, okay. I'm not hungry. I just want to rest right now.
Okay. All right.
Hi, man. Thanks.
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Oh, love is a strong feelings from a place. Oh, from a place words have no power. It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments.
Oh, he's so caring. Sir. Sir.
Oh. Oh. You're awake.
Yes.
How do you feel?
Better. Thank you. Thank you for asking.
That's good.
Why don't you just go up and sleep? You need sleep.
Yeah. I need to take you upstairs to sleep.
Oh.
I didn't want to wake you because I was afraid the pain would start again. Okay. I'll take you to Chris's room.
No. The visitor's room, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need to shower and have a change of clothes. And then eat and sleep again.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. After you. menstrual cramps can be. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you feeling?
Better than yesterday, sir. Thank you.
That's good, you'll be fine.
Thank you, sir.
So I wanted to know if you're up to working out with Chris and I this morning.
Oh, sure. That will even help relieve the pain.
Ah, perfect then.
Thank you.
All right.
Mr. Greg,
Yes.
thank you so much for yesterday. Thank you. And thank you for the toiletries you got me.
Ah, come. It's fine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. I'll see you downstairs.
Okay.
Hey, big bro. Good morning.
Good morning.
How was your night?
Have you seen Johnny?
No, Jenny. No, I've not seen him. I've been sleeping.
You've been sleeping. Chris, you have a sick visitor and you slept all through the night. How can you be so carefree?
Big bro, I'm not carefree. It's not been too long I woke up. But I'll go and see her now. Alright?
Well, you better do.
I will. Hope you slept well.
Yeah, I slept well.
Alright. So, because of ordinary menstrual cramp, that's why you're just putting up with all this drama. Are you the first person to have menstrual cramp in this world? Yeah? You would have just said you wanted attention. Simple. You would have just told my brother that you wanted him to show you some extra pampering, give you some extra care and all of that. Instead of putting up with all this, you're overreacting and extra drama for no reason. Menstrual cramp. What's menstrual cramp? You're looking at me. Oh, thank God I missed this your tedious act. It's not me you will come and kill for my mother. You will not kill me. Why are you looking at me like that now? Wow. You dey vex? Wait, are you angry? Are you angry that I'm saying the truth or what? I'm saying the truth now. You are overreacting because of menstrual cramp. But there's no need for you to be angry. Shay, my brother has given you the attention that you wanted. Whenever you see my brother, you've seen me. Yes, now, I am my brother and my brother is me. So I'm very, very sure that he has given you all the care and love that you want. You hear? You're not still saying anything. Seriously. You don't have anything to say. Okay. I'm going to my room then. If you need anything, you know where to find me. You know the way to my room. If I'm not enough You know the way to my brother's room. After all, he has been doing a very good job at taking good care of you. I trust him. So since you're not saying anything, I'll be taking my leave. Okay? Bye.
When are we going for the workout? Maybe it will help lessen the pain.
We'll go in a short while.
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's a selfless expression and passion.
Yes, come in.
Hey. I brought your cloth.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Let me excuse you to change. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, it's fine.
The meal was quite tasty.
Of course, my senior bro is the best cook. As a matter of fact, he taught me how to cook.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm telling you. Jenny,
Yeah?
I went into your room shortly after we got back from the gym to check up on you for breakfast. Then I realized that your clothes were ironed. How did you do your laundry?
I ironed it.
You did? For real?
Yeah. Thank you once again.
It's okay.
Big bro, wait. You never cease to amaze me. Like, I'm surprised. Hello? You're normally busy for work, and look at you. Right now, you're just looking out for my girl. You're taking care of her. All because of me. My goodness. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for, looking out for me and filling up for my weakness.
It's okay. You were really tired last night.
Honestly, even if I wasn't tired, I cannot pamper a woman the way you do.
You can, if you put your mind to it.
I can't, so it's not my thing, man. I won't lie. It's not.
Chris, wait. Chris.
What?
Did you just say you can't pamper a woman in front of your brother?
Yes.
Again?
What do you mean again? I can't do it, is that I can't do it.
Chris, I don't understand. What
Jenny, please. Listen, we just finished eating and I don't want to argue. So please, let's just play what? I would like to beat you. Beat the hell out of you. It's not going to be like the previous times. You always beat me. Your jazz will not work this time. So where's the what?
Chris, we're talking about something here. I don't understand.
Big bro! Please bring the words. Let's play. I would like to beat the hell out of my baby here. I'm waiting. This time, I will beat you. I will show you Pepe in that word. It will not be like the last time.
Chris!
What? Don't worry. Let him bring the words first. You see. I'll show you Pepe. You see.
Yeah. Thank you for the warm reception.
It's okay.
So, can I get your number?
Sure. I mean, what's wrong with my brother having my sister-in-law? No, sorry. His sister-in-law's number.
Yeah.
Let me help you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, there you go.
Okay. Okay, I'll call you.
Okay, sure. All right,
Thank
take
you.
care,
All right, bye.
yeah? All right, bro.
See you. I'll be right back. Alright. So, for real though.
What?
I don't get it though.
What is it?
I've never seen this version of my brother before.
Oh?
For real. My brother is someone I know that is always very busy for work. He doesn't even spare this much time for me, but look at you. With you, things are different.
Well, I guess it's because we think and talk alike. Maybe.
Oh yeah, I guess so too. Come on, let me drop you.
Alright. What is it?
Oh my goodness.
What?
You wouldn't believe this.
What happened?
I came out with the wrong car key. I came out with my brother's car key.
For real?
Instead of my car key.
Okay, just take it back to him, then you get yours. So go.
What's that one? I should take my brother's car key back to him.
Yes.
Let's go, let's use his car. Will he flog me?
Take it back to him now.
Are you saying I can't use my brother's car to drop you
He's
off?
your elder brother.
The more reason why. Let's go, Joe. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I mean, she finally stopped the nagging, finally. And I finally feel comfortable to kiss her. And when I tried to kiss her, guess what she did? She stopped me and said she's not in the mood. Like, who says that? I don't just know. I don't know what's wrong with this girl. There is nothing I do that is enough for her. I don't just know what she wants from me. Huh? And the crazy thing is that I love this girl. I love Jenny so much. Like, she's just so authentic. I don't just know, man.
Just be patient.
Big bro, I won't lie to you. My name is not Patience. That's the problem. I'm not the patient dog that they say eat the fattest bone. But I'll try. Do I have a choice? I'll try. So for real, thanks. Thanks a lot, bro. Thanks for standing in for me, you know? For once, I finally found peace in this relationship. All because of you.
It's my pleasure.
Seems you're really busy.
Yeah.
Alright. I wouldn't want to disturb you. I'll just go freshen up and let me just let you be. Alright? Come on, let's have it. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it. That's what's up. Alright, bro. Good night.
Yeah.
Alright.
Greg, you're everything I want in a man. Like, he has all the qualities. So loving and caring.
Jenny. Wait. This Greg guy you're talking about right now, is he not your boyfriend's elder brother? Are you trying to date two brothers?
No. I'm breaking up with Chris.
Just because you want to date his elder brother, are you being serious? What has come over you? Don't you know how absurd that sounds?
The heart wants what it wants.
Jenny, are you even thinking of what you're doing? Are you trying to separate the two brothers here?
Becky, that's my fear. But me and Chris, we never kissed nor had any sex, so I guess I stand a chance.
But Jenny, you know Chris loves you. What is wrong with you?
Myself and Chris, we're always arguing. There's always a disagreement. Like the time we're supposed to use to figure something out and move forward, we'll be using it to fight and argue, and it's just too much. Chris is not my kind of guy.
See, I understand when you're coming from, okay, but you need to think this whole thing through. I get that you've tried, I understand, but I don't know, this doesn't sound right. It's better that I know you're supposed to follow your heart and I will always ask you to do that, okay? And this is better trying than regretting and wondering what would have happened if you didn't try, but two brothers. But two brothers, you should think about it properly, okay?
Okay.
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Oh, love is a strong feelings from a place.
Chris, I'm okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, from a place words have no power. It's beyond words,
I'm okay.
more than butterflies and sweet moments. Oh. Love is a strong feelings from a place. Oh, from a place words have no power. It's a selfless expression and passion. It's a selfless expression and
Hey, Jenny.
Yes?
It's getting late. Don't you think I should drop you off?
I'm beginning to prefer here to my place.
Okay, if you say so.
Can I come over for the weekend?
Sure, it's perfect.
Yay.
So, can I take you home now?
Chris, are you chasing me away from your house?
So am I chasing you? No, no. You know what? It's fine. You can stay as long as you want.
Hey, that's my friend.
I'll take you home whenever you want.
Oh, you're such a sweet friend.
What's that?
What?
What's friend?
You're my friend.
Boyfriend. Hello?
Okay.
You're just something else. That's my friend. Why is he that's my friend? You see you. But you know I love you, right?
Oh.
You know I love you, right? Come here.
Thank you. Shift.
What is this one?
What?
Hello.
Hi. Oh.
I'm trying to...
Chris, stop it. Stop it, please. I'm trying to focus on this film. The film is really interesting. I don't know why you're not watching with me.
This same kiss you've been disturbing me about, now I'm giving it to you, you're doing shakara.
That's life for you.
My friend, will you come and get
Chris, come on. Come on, stop it. Thank you.
It has gotten to this
You're
level.
distracting me, honestly.
Me.
This is the end bit.
Seriously.
What?
Okay. God knows I tried. I tried.
I'll let you know when I'm done with the film.
Whatever.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Where's Chris?
I don't know. I slept off.
Are you sleeping over?
No. I didn't bring clothes, so. But I'll come over for the weekend.
Okay, I'll be looking forward to your visit. You need to start going. It's late.
Okay, I'll just call Chris.
No, don't worry. Let me check on him. If he's sleeping, I'll drop you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power.
Chris.
It's
Chris.
beyond words,
Chris.
more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no.
He's fast asleep. Let me drop you.
Selfless expression and passion is a selfless expression and passion. He says I love you, but now you
I've fallen for him. I have. I love Greg.
Jenny. See, I understand, okay? Most times we don't even have control over all of this. But Jenny, what if Chris doesn't agree? See, Jenny, what I'm saying is, I think you should take one step at a time, okay? The truth is, there is no way you'll be able to be with Chris if if you don't break up with his brother. But Jenny, are you even sure Greg feels the same way for you?
I feel it's strong. It's mutual. Even if it's not, I'll keep pushing. I just have to keep pushing, Becky.
Jenny, I understand, okay? But you just need to take your time, allow things flow. And you need to be careful.
Oh, Becky.
It's okay. Everything will be fine, okay?
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's a selfless expression and passion. It's a selfless expression and passion. He says I love you, but now you really do. He says I'll be there, but now you there by my side always. And standing in the middle, kind of confused. But
I mean, like, she used to be the one always nagging about me not kissing her and all that. And now that I'm trying to kiss her, she won't let me.
Have you bothered to ask why?
No?
I think you should.
Okay, I'll do that. But boom, I'm surprised though. You woke up late today and you aren't rushing to work. What's up?
I brought some work back home and I didn't finish early. That's why.
Alright, so good. Cheers to the weekend. Thank God it's Friday. Listen, I need you to give this house the spice of a woman, just as you did the last time.
The last time I was here, I was sick. Now I'm fine, so it's
Don't
time
worry,
to cook.
you'll be okay, baby.
Okay.
I got you. Why don't you go to the kitchen and cook some nice stuff and
No, just give me my luggage.
You sure?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I'm going to the guest room, so.
All right, let's go. I got you, baby. I got you, baby. Let's go. I got you, baby. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have fun.
Thank you. Chris told me you were coming. Thank you so much.
Big bro.
Chris, how are you?
I'm fine. Good evening.
Evening.
How's work?
Was great.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Listen, so Jenny assisted me in preparing your meal and running your parts. So everything is set right now.
Oh, thank you. She told me.
Oh, okay. So rest up, huh?
Yes, come in.
Just drop your stuff. Your dinner is waiting.
Yes, I'll be down soon.
Okay.
Wait. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Love is a strong feeling from a place, oh, from a place words have no power. It's a selfless expression and passion. It's a selfless expression and passion. He says I love you, but now you really do. He says I'll be there, but now you there by my side always. And standing in the middle.
Look at you. Looking so sexy and beautiful. Huh? Look at my baby. You're just looking so take away. Can I take you away? Baby, why don't you like some of this sexiness in here? Look at this. Check this out. I know you like this. You like what you see, right? Why don't I give you some the beautiful Lacoste, some banish. Take you to the cloud nine. Come on, baby. I got you.
My name is Jenny, not baby. Jenny.
What is it again now? Shebi, you're the one that's always complaining, I'm not romantic. Now, look at me. I'm Mr. Sexy Romantic. Mr. Sexy, give it to you anyhow you want it, you know? And now you're complaining. Come on, baby. Let me show you how romantic I can be. Look at this. Don't you like what you see? Yeah, look at you. I know you like this. Come on, baby. We shouldn't even be sleeping in separate rooms. You should be in my room. Huh? Come on, let me take you to the heavens. To the cloud nine.
Chris.
Don't you want to have a piece of this sexiness right here?
I want out.
You say what?
I want out.
I don't understand. Out of where?
Out of this relationship, Chris. Both of us, it's not working. We're not compatible.
Wait. Wait. Are you serving me breakfast at night? I know.
Chris, I'm serious.
I know you're joking.
No, I'm actually serious, Chris. I want out. I think it would be best if we're friends other than lovers.
You're serious? Like you're serious?
I am.
You're breaking up with me? Wait. Is there another man?
No.
So relax now. Baby, come on, relax. We can work this out. Okay, you know what? You know what? Let's start all over. Yeah? Let's start on a friendship level. I know we started off, it was a bit sketchy, but you know what? I know a saying that goes, you date or you marry your friend. So let's start on a friendship level, eh? Please, baby.
Chris, I don't say going beyond that.
Come on, don't do that. You can't just cancel me out like that. I will make you fall in love with me again.
Chris!
What is it now? You can't just cancel me like that. Now give me another chance now. Eh? Let's start on a friendship level, please.
Chris.
Say no more. Say no more. You know what? To friendship. Come on now. Best of friends. My guy, come here.
Ow!
Sorry.
Chris.
Sorry. You know I will never do you no harm. Intentionally. Sorry, So we are good now,
Good.
Best friends.
Best friends.
Best friends,
Best friends.
Are you sure you don't want to have a little...
Chris, get out.
Some of this...
Chris, get out of my
A
room.
little... Okay. Drop lock on.
Ow.
I'm going. I still got some sugar in me, you know.
Chris, go.
What about this one? What about...
Chris, get out of the room.
I'm going. I'm still here though. I'm getting out. You want me to get in? I can get in.
Chris, leave.
Okay. I'm getting out. Yeah.
Good night.
I still got some sugar.
Chris,
in
close my door.
Some sugar still got.
Oh, God.
Alright. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Bye.
I'm still here.
Bye.
Some of all this.
Chris!
Alright.
She asked you to become friends?
Yeah, bro.
Why?
She said we're not compatible.
Man, I'm so sorry, bro.
It's alright, bro. You know, don't worry about it. I actually feel we started off on the wrong foot. Yeah. I think we're better off as friends right now. I think that's more ideal.
You know, I am so happy that you're taking all of this on a good note.
Yeah. Like I said, we're better off as friends right now. I feel I have to learn about her more. I need to study her like a school degree, you know? Yeah. Because honestly, I don't understand her from a lover's angle.
I'm sorry, bro.
It's fine. Bro, I'm really tired right now. I need to go get some sleep. Yeah? Thanks a lot for everything, alright?
Anytime, you know how we do.
Got you, brother.
Alright, man.
Alright, man. Good night, okay?
Good night. Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Chris said you refused to kiss or hug him, and now you've asked him to be your friend. Why is that?
Because my heart belongs to another.
Who is he?
I think you know him.
I know him.
Yes, you do.
But Chris loves you.
I loved him, but not anymore. And having him be in a relationship where his woman was loved him, it's not the best for him, you know? We never agree on anything. We don't feel like home. It doesn't sit well, it doesn't feel right. And I think Chris deserves someone better. You know? Someone who loves him and agrees with him and adores him. Someone who honors him. Like I honor the one I chose.
Oh. You're right. Chris deserves a mutual love.
Yeah.
I pray he finds someone that will genuinely love him, and he will love her too. But in the meantime, stay with him.
Okay. That's fine.
Thank you.
Sure. You're chopping the carrots too big. It's too big. Shush. Let me help you.
Love is a strong feeling from a place, oh, from a place words have no.
Chris deserves someone who loves and agrees with him, adores him, honors him like I honor the one I have chosen.
Is a selfless expression and passion. He says I love you.
Could that person be me?
Really do. He says I'll be there, but now you there by my side always. I'm standing in the middle, kind of confused, but I know you are the one I really love. He says I love you, but now you really do. He says I'll be there, but now you there by my side.
What is it?
I don't understand what's going on here.
What?
Can someone explain to me what's happening here? Jenny, why are you pampering my big bro more than me? You've forgotten I'm the one that's your friend, though.
Come on, Chris. You both are my friends. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course.
And then if you give him, you give to me.
Oh, God.
I'm just saying, make man no go vex. A small thing they vex man. No.
Yeah, take.
You see? That's my big bro. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Big bro with a pamper. Big bro with a pamper. Dude, I'll tell you what. See this guy right here? He's my hero. My mentor.
And you are my champ.
My man. You know I got you.
I can't separate the siblings. No. They have the loveliest siblings relationship I have ever seen. I would rather die single than separate these two. I can't do this. No. What do I do? Oh, Becky.
Guys. So, initially I had a plan with Becky for the weekend, but since I'm here, I was thinking if I should, invite her over for the weekend and we'll have like an indoor picnic kind of vibe thing. We'll just dance, watch TV, eat, just play and have fun. What do you think?
Sounds like a great idea.
Oh yeah?
Perfect.
Okay.
Right, big bro? What do you think?
Yeah. It's fine.
See?
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
it's all up to you now.
Alright.
You tell her we're expecting her.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Yes, come in.
Hey, Romy! How are you? I'm fine. Obviously, I can see you're fine. Careful. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Greg. This is my friend, my roomie. My name is Becky. Becky, this is Greg.
Oh, Greg, the brother we never get to see.
The workaholic.
I see. Becky, my name.
Nice to meet you, Becky.
Nice to meet you too. So, where's Chris?
Chris.
Hey, Chris.
Hey, you. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. How you doing, Bex?
I'm good.
Oh, you look beautiful.
Thank you. Stop it.
You're welcome to our home. Yo, listen. We're gonna have lots of fun today. Hope you're not in a hurry to leave.
In a hurry. You both took my roommate away from me, and I have been so bored. No, I'm not in a hurry.
Oh, that's nice, because
Okay.
like I said, we're going to have lots and lots of fun.
So much fun.
So, you don't need to worry, because listen to me. You are at the right place, at the right time, with the right people.
Really?
So, you're welcome once again.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, if you guys don't mind, I would like to be excused for some time.
That's
huh?
okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. See y'all later.
See you later.
Make yourself comfortable.
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's a selfless expression and passion. is a selfless expression and passion. He says, I love you, but now you really do. He says, I'll be there, but now you there by my side always. And standing in the middle, kind of confused, but I know you are the one I really love. He says, I love you, but now you really do. He says, I'll be there, but now you there by my side always. I'm standing in the middle, kind of confused, but I know you are the one I really love. Yes, I know you are the one I really love.
Got you. I got you. This is where you hide. It's the kiss. Yes, yeah. Got her. Yeah.
This place was good.
How is that good? Under the staircase?
Okay, you hide now. No.
Yeah, it's my turn to hide.
Sir, please, can I get water? I'm really thirsty.
Alright, I got you. Okay?
Okay.
What do you mean?
Why you guys are gonna look for me for a very long time because I'm about to hide.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Like,
I'll be
what
the
I
one
say?
to catch you.
Oh.
Friends.
You're welcome.
Okay, hurry up so I can hide.
That's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Now, can I hide now? You guys excuse me?
But you guys, I'll be leaving soon.
Oh, okay. I'll see you tomorrow then.
Yeah,
Come on,
sure.
no. You can't leave. Are you serious? Please. Can you stay?
Staying? Exactly. I brought enough 90s, so you can use one of mine. We'll both leave tomorrow.
Yes.
Weekend well spent.
Yes. Please stay. Say yes. Say yes,
Please,
please.
Come on.
Say yes.
For me.
Okay, fine.
You know, I really have to take time off work more because this was one hell of a roller coaster. I really enjoy this. Thank you guys.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay.
Hey, relax.
Can I hide?
Relax. Actually, I'm really enjoying our get together as well. But we're having a movie night tonight, so everyone is gonna get to vote their favorite movie on web. So
Wait.
Connect.
It's my turn to hide.
Oh no.
What is where from movie?
Come on, Greg.
come on, we should have a movie night.
What are you saying?
Babes, let's go on fresh.
You know what? Let's make a vote right now. Let's all vote for our favorite movie on web.
Movie.
Movie.
Yes.
Movie.
I vote movie.
Who else is voting for movie? Movie 3, 1, 2, 3. So majority wins the vote. So we're seeing a movie. Sorry, bro. Too bad.
You hide after the movie.
Yes, my turn to hide the bring movie.
You will hide after the movie, bro.
You hide after the movie. Let's
Come on. You enjoy the movie. Let's go. Also you hide.
Okay, after the whole
What's
movie
you hide?
thing, you will hide. You're taking this hiding thing too personal.
I have a lot of haters in this house.
But where do you want to hide in this house that I will not find you?
In this snooker table. I'm gonna hide in the nets.
There's no place you will hide at.
So what movie are you watching? Is it horror?
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's a selfless expression and passion. It's a selfless expression and passion. He says I love you, but now you really do. He says I'll be there, but now you there by my side always. And standing in the middle, kind of confused, but I know you are the one I really love. He says I love you, but now you really do. He says I'll be there, but now you there by my side always. I'm standing in the middle, kind of confused, but I know you are the one I really love. Yes, I know you are the one I really love.
Like what you see, right? You really like what you see, don't you? Check this out, please.
Okay.
You know, I got you. Got you. I got you.
So you can be this way. So you can actually be this way.
Yeah, I can actually. I can.
You're actually very funny. Like I can't believe I've been laughing since.
Really?
Yeah.
You see? And I was always wondering, like, what's the problem? Like, listen, there is nothing I would ever say or do to Jenny that will make her see me as funny.
Oh wow.
For real. Well, look at you. Look at you, just laughing. Anything I say makes sense to you.
You're actually funny.
You know, I used to think that I had a problem, you know, but now it has dawned on me officially that I don't have a problem. As a matter of fact, Jenny's ears and eyes needs deliverance from White Garment Church. But for real, dude.
Oh my god. But anyways, I actually do not think that she needs deliverance. I just think it's a thing where, you know, maybe you're not telling her the things she wants to hear, and maybe you don't just do the things that she fancies. And I think it's okay. It happens.
But look at you. I'm doing everything I do to Jenny, to you. And you find it very funny. And
Well, I'm me, and she's her. So it's just what happens. Plus, it has to do with. I think it's just if
your energy kind of like vibes with the other person's energy and you guys just connect. These things happen. It's nothing serious.
Yeah, true though, true though. I mean, look at, we've been talking for over 2 hours and we've not even noticed that time has gone. Look at the time. After 1.
Right. Oh my gosh.
But for real though, I really wish Jenny could see this part of me, you know. I wish I could be funny to her. And I wish, she could fall in love with me again.
Yeah. But I think she just needs time, okay? Just give her some time. I'm sure she's going to come along, okay?
All right.
Okay. But where did you actually learn this dance steps from?
So let me tell you a secret. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. I used to be a stripper. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. It's a lie.
I don't even want to imagine it right now in my head. Because what? How? Please don't say this outside.
But check these moves now. Why can't you just see this? You're feeling this. Come on, don't tell me you don't like this. You know what I'm saying?
What's wrong with you?
I know you like it. I know you like it. You like it. It's a lie. I'm seeing you laughing. Don't lie. Look at you laughing.
Hey, babe. What?
I can see you just finished talking to Chris.
Like Chris is so funny. Oh my gosh. Why did you tell me it was so funny? What's wrong with this one?
I'm not perceiving love.
Jenny, calm down. See, the truth is, I really like him a lot, okay? I wouldn't mind dating him. But Jenny, Chris still loves you. He really does.
Oh. Becky, don't be too quick to call it love. Don't. Sometimes people think they love you, but it's actually just infatuation. They just like your personality. Like, if your personality goes, then love goes. That's all.
But Jenny, see, he's really trying to do everything to win you over.
Let him win you over.
Are you being serious right now?
Oh, please.
Jenny, I'm serious about everything I said.
About what?
He's trying to win you over. He still loves you.
Leave that thing. Forget it. My friend.
Jenny, why are you like this?
My friendship. Becky.
But please, he's so funny. Hey, God, you didn't tell me he was this funny.
See, you're blushing.
I can't get her off my head. I yearn to touch her, to hold her. I don't know what to do. As much as I want this, I can't betray Chris either. What do I do? I'm torn between following my heart and staying loyal to my brother. I think I need to clear my head.
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. is a selfless expression and passion. Is a selfless expression and passion. He says, I love you, but now you really do. He says, I'll be there, but now you there by my side always. And standing in the middle, kind of confused, but I know you are the one I really love. He says, I love you, but now you really do. He says, I'll be there by my side always. Standing in the middle, kind of
I need to get some cold water. Maybe to help me relax.
the one I really love. Yes, I know you are the one I really love.
You can't sleep too, right? I understand. I understand what it means to be lovesick. To love someone and you can't have him. I want you to kiss me. I want you to kiss me till I feel it in the depth of my soul. I didn't feel it in the depth of my soul.
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feeling, from a place.
Chris! 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 Chris, please open this door, okay? Chris, I can explain.
Not the fool! No!
Chris, can you just open this door? Don't do anything stupid, okay? It's not what you think. Chris, open this door.
I swear to God, Gregory, I swear on my life, if I can meet you at that door, I swear you will like what I'll do to you. Get out of my door! Let me the hell alone!
Chris, just open this door, please. Please.
You liar, deceiver.
I did not lie to you, okay? It's not what you think.
Shut the hell up!
Open this door!
Oh my...
What is wrong with you? Chris!
I swear I will fight you!
Open this door, please!
I'm getting my snubber right now. I will fight the hell out of you! I will fight you!
Chris, open this door! Chris!
Deceive me!
I did not deceive you.
Deceive me!
I did not. It just happened. It's not what you think.
No!
Chris! Chris!
I saw.
Chris, open this door!
I saw the red flags. I saw everything. I didn't expect he was going to do this.
Chris!
How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me?
Open this goddamn door, man!
How could you do this to me? I trusted you. How could you do this to me?
Chris.
Oh, fuck.
Chris. Just open this door, man.
Please calm down, Jenny, you need to calm down. Two brothers, Becky, whatever you do. I know, but you don't have to beat yourself about it. Just calm down. They'll make up and then they will hate me. Becky, what did they do? Just calm down. Okay, so, we'll figure it out tomorrow. Oh my God, talk about it tomorrow. I shouldn't have taken up on the kids. I shouldn't have. Me and Greg, nothing would have happened without Chris's permission. Oh my God, Becky, what did I do? What have I done? Your bond is so great, Becky. Jenny, please, just calm down. Okay, we're going to find a solution to this. Just calm down. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, I'm two brothers, great brothers. Sorry, just calm down. We'll find a solution. I promise you, we're going to find a solution. Just calm down, Becky. Just calm down. It wasn't intentional, Becky. Jenny, please, Jenny. Oh my God. Jenny, calm down. Put yourself together. Just calm down.
Oh, Chris. Please. Look, I have always wanted to be the perfect brother to you. I can't believe Look, I am so sorry. Okay, it just happened. I have longed to hug and kiss her. I'm sorry I let you down. Chris, wait. Chris, wait now. You just hear me out, please. Please, Chris, please. I'm sorry. Please.
no reason, no single reason to steal my girl.
I'm sorry.
I confided in you, Gregory. I did. Why? Why did you stab me in my back?
Chris.
Hmm?
Chris, I didn't mean to stab you in the back, okay? Let's talk about this. Chris, hold on. Chris, please, Chris, please.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean for it to happen. It wasn't planned. I'm sorry. Chris, please. Please, I'm begging you.
I beg you. You don't have to go. You don't have to do this. I am sorry.
Please, Chris.
I didn't mean to hurt you like this. Please.
Chris, please.
Chris, hold on. Chris, please now. Chris. Excuse me. Chris, please now. Chris, hold on. Chris, don't do this. Chris, please. Chris, hold on. Chris, please now, please. Chris, please. Chris.
Oh my God.
I want to thank both of you for an amazing weekend. I'm sorry things went south.
Yeah. Thank you too for, accommodating us. See, we're so sorry for bringing this fix upon you. But I promise I would find Chris and I'll talk to him on your behalf, okay?
I really would appreciate that. Let me drop you guys off.
Thank you.
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's a selfless expression and passion. It's a selfless expression and passion. He says I love you, but now you really do. He says I'll be there, but now you there by my side.
Chris, they tried, okay? They try to subdue their emotions, but you know the heart. The heart will always want what it wants, always.
That doesn't justify what they did to me. I would never do that to my brother. Ever.
Chris, it's not like they betrayed you, okay? It's not like they did the whole thing behind your back. Okay, fine. They did it behind your back, okay? But it was just that night. They were just caught unawares with their emotions, due to everything that played out that night. The movie, the whole thing. Come on, Chris. Please, you need to just go back home and forgive them. Please. Forgive your brother. Forgive Jenny. Chris.
It's fine. I'll be okay. I just need some time off to clear my head and think about the whole situation properly. I'll eventually go back home, but I can't promise that I'm going to forgive my brother now or ever. That's just it.
It's fine, okay? I totally understand. Yeah. But then again, I think going back home to your brother will be a great step to forgiving him at least. Okay?
Maybe not. Who knows?
It's all good. Thank you very much for, making our time to see me and listen to all I have to say. Thank you.
Of course. You never offended me, did you?
Please stop now. Why are you sounding like that?
No, but for real, you never offended me. You're welcome. And thank you, too, for making out time to come talk to me.
You're welcome, it's fine. Oh, please, just think about everything I've said, okay?
Okay. I will.
Why are you frowning? Okay, I want you to do that dance for me. That was that you used to do for me.
Seriously, right now.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow, really?
I'm not in the mood.
You're not in the mood? You're not in my mood?
That's
fine. Fine. You're not in my mood, right?
What's wrong with this one? I'm not just...
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's a selfless expression and passion. It's a selfless expression and passion. He says I love you, but now you really do. He says I'll be there, but now you there by my side always. Yes, I know you are the one I really love. It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Oh, love is a strong feeling from a place. Oh, from a place words have no power. It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Oh, love is a strong feeling from a place. Oh, from a place words have no power. It's a selfless expression and passion. It's a selfless expression and passion. He says I love you, but now you really do. He says I'll be there, but now you there by my side always. I'm standing in the middle, kind of confused, but I know you are the one I really love. He says I love you, but now you really do.
Chris. Chris. Chris, open the door. Chris. Chris, open up. Open up, please. Chris. Chris. you say anything, I just want you to know that I love you. I gave up my life for you. I gave up my education just to make you happy. We have been through a lot to allow anything tear us apart. Chris, I am ready to give up my love for you. I swore on our parents' grave to love and protect you. I am sorry. I did not mean to hurt you like this. Chris.
Honestly, the reason I texted you to come over was to look at you and just see if there is any atom of forgiveness in my heart for you.
So?
I can't forgive you, Greg.
What?
I cannot forgive you.
But you sent me a message to come here so we talk about it.
That's what I'm saying. I thought I could, but I can't.
So what's the point?
I just can't.
What do you mean you can't?
Bro, you broke me, man. You broke me. I thought I could forgive you, but I can't.
Chris.
It's not as easy as you think.
Chris.
I thought I could, but I can't.
What do you mean you thought you could?
I thought there was any atom of forgiveness in my heart for you, but there isn't. There isn't.
What are you saying, Chris?
I just can't forgive you, bro. I can't. You broke me. You broke me. Do you think it's that easy? Huh? I can't. I just can't. I can't forgive you. I can't. That's what I mean. I cannot.
You just stand at one place and let's talk.
Bro, it's not that easy. I thought I was going to be able to, but I cannot. Like, don't you get? You broke me, bro. You did.
Chris.
Happy birthday to you!
Yeah. Happy birthday, brother.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. My man. Relax, you seem surprised. That was the intention, actually. Relax. Listen, you've sacrificed everything for me since we were kids. I mean, don't you think it's high time I learned how to sacrifice for you too? I would not let you lose this love that took you time to find.
No, Chris. You're not doing this. You love her. I will not let you do this.
Do I really love you? Or do I love the fact that you're perfect? A virgin? Super intelligent. Beautiful. gorgeous. Come on. Don't cry. Don't cry. It's alright. I know that. But the truth is, we were never meant to be together. The earlier I tell myself the truth, the better. Our souls were never connected.
You're a goat.
Oh, you mean greatest of all time, don't you? I'll take that as a compliment. But for real though, we weren't. You know, I thought I didn't know how to love when I couldn't speak the language of your soul. I always thought I wasn't romantic.
You weren't.
I was. But the truth is, my heart never really fancied you. And I'm sorry. But ever since you brought Becky, my Becky, my beautiful, beautiful Becky, come here. Come on, don't be shy. Are you shy? You know, with you, things are different with me. Ever since you came, everything became different. You know, with you, I want to be the best version of myself. And come here. Even though we're not together right now, I know that if we eventually, don't scratch that. When we eventually get together, I will do right by you. I'll make you happy. I would never, ever give you any reason to complain. Okay? You look beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be right back. So, you see, love is not meant to be forced or coerced. It's supposed to come naturally. Jenny was never mine from the start. Even nature knows this. That's why I couldn't even give you the minimum kiss you were always asking for. Yeah. So, congratulations, my brother, and congratulations to you, my sister-in-law, Genevieve. And today, you'll be officially meeting with Genevieve. And now, come here. Come here. Come now. Give me your hand. Are you ready for this? All right. Okay. By the power vested on me as a member of this family, a rightful member of this family, and your loving, sweet younger brother, and your future brother-in-law. I hereby pronounce you two husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride. Come on, come close. Are you shy? Come close now. What? Come on.
I'm speechless.
Speechless. That's how we make you feel. What? For God's sake, kiss her already. Kiss her. Come on. That's it. That's it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You look lovely. Oh, look at this. I mean, you look beautiful. And now back to you. Come here. Come here. What is it? Listen. I know this may sound a bit too fast, but I would love you to be my girlfriend.
What?
Of course, if that's okay by you. So what you say?
Yes.
Yes? Yes! Come here! Oh my goodness. We'll be fine, okay? I'm gonna take care of you. Don't worry. Oh, look at that. Such beautiful, sweet couples.
Shut up already.
You talk too much.
Now I talk. That's the thank you. That's the thank you I'm getting, eh? That's the thank you I'm getting. I talk too much. Come on, bro. Let's have it. I'm happy for you, brother. Yeah. So happy for you, my girl. Got you. You know I got you all the time. Anytime, anything.
But when did you guys do this?
Man, you should be asking them. I had no idea about this.
Wow.
Come here. Got you.
No?
Easy. Man, what do we have here? When are we eating this cake, for God's sake?
Well, I gotta cut my cake first.
I want to eat, so me.
Wait, are you a food? What is your problem?
I'm hot.
Is it your birthday?
Of course not.
Okay. Fine. Make your wish. What's your wish? You guys have to come. Let's be. While they are doing their own, we are doing our own.
It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's beyond words, more than butterflies and sweet moments. Love is a strong feelings from a place, from a place words have no power. It's a selfless expression and passion. It's a selfless expression and passion. He says I love